What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is actually one of the most favorite movies still trending at the moment. Now, we all know Aki Pawpaw was an old movie done in the early 90s, and yes, a lot of us actually enjoyed that movie so much that it sold out so well that time and made childhood so fun feel to live with. Anyway, last year actually the part 2 of the movie, or should I say the return of the movie, actually was recreated, and the story was made in the modern way, the modern Nollywood of today. And yes, it's still a beautiful and a wonderful one. It's actually available now on Netflix, and you can also watch it on the cinema. But in this video, I want to give you a full highlight of a complete behind the scene of this particular movie. Like, it's beautiful. The character, the cast, the behind the scene on its own is just so amazing. So you guys just enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment below.
Back in the village. You were Campbell. I can't go back in the village. I can't
Get them.
I'm a village. I'm a gift.
I'm a payama.
Start the video, we gonna know what to do. We gonna know what to do. Hey, wait, get them. They know no mother. A voice. Oh. Aki Pawpaw. Chaka biage gwe menwe Abazora na nyoba Obikuba no domu Chifoni na wiye buo Abalusi agene kulu gene Aki Pawpaw Iwe bulu je bulu na Nibanyu ne gwe menwe Abazora na nyoba Obonye kanyi ne kuo Chifoni na wiye buo Ezo monga Abalusi agene kulu gene buo Aki Pawpaw Mana ndesi mionu Mana ndesi na jado Mana no me come na no Mana Aki Pawpaw Iwe bulu je bulu na Nide puti Jesus we Mana no chonga no ko Mana Ifuganu no me come Mana Egwamaka mu brubia n'ụwa anyị dọsọ onye chaka piago kwenu igba ke no pato zora na ni oba Tifobi na wiye buo Obole ya kiwa mama higirigi ndị Igbo Tara mapuru na n'Igbo igba ke no pato zora na ni oba Ụfọdụ nwere ike wee chụba ajụjụ onye bụ Pagozu ara onye bụ Obinna bụ ihe egwu onye bụ akpọle Yankee oyi m ngwụcha ntị ka nkọrọ akụkọ ka mụ bịa iwe na-eme bụ ya ka mụ na-ekwu ọgbado ozu ọrịa na ndị ọba si na nnekwu obi ka o si bi ụwa ọkwa na obile chief salesi ihe gbuo aka eze na anị ọba odogwu ebe afụ ka ọkpọle si bi ụwa ọkpọle ha ka iwa mama higirigi ezinne m ụlụ chief Obinna ọ bụ onye ka mụ na-ekwu ihe Lady uche wiye buo asọmpete nwanyị ọma odozi akụ aka eze n'ọba ezinne m ụlọ ọkpọle Yankee mgbe nne na nne ya mụsịrị ọkpọle ọ wee zụbanye n'egwu Chukwu na fazulu ya na amamife fazulu ya na nghọta zuru oke na fazulu ya ọfụma ewuo ọkpọle Yankee Chief Obinna wee bido wee sobe wee tinye ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ na Central Primary School na Nyoba ebe afọ.
Honestly, it's a crazy movie. All the characters in this movie are actually unique characters, and they have been doing a great job, you know, putting a lot of their passion out there in a very amazing and a unique way. Osita Iheme, Chinedu Ikedieze, a lot of them, all of them, even the actors. The storyline this time around was completely different. It was more of like some kids who find fame and they don't know how to use their talent, and someone else was ripping them off their talent. But when they discover how to use the talent, it was actually an amazing thing that actually paved way, made money for them, even though people in the business were competing with them, actually wanted to steal their shine, put enmity between two brothers and make them hate themselves. But well, the whole story was later settled. Even the lady who was managing them, who was actually raping them, actually settled them. Anyway, just go watch the movie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.